Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Miramonte Elementary School in Clovis, California, home of the Mustangs. I'm here in their cafeteria, the MPR, where I am back from my second visit today. And we took it up a level. When I came last time, we talked about bullying, look at the heart first. But in today's two presentations for grades 1 through 6, we focused on diversity and the need for human kindness, right? Just like it says on my shirt. The design for today's topic. You see that there's the peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin. There's also two people, because part of kindness is not only showing it to ourselves, but to others as well, right? And so the whole premise, for today was to say, hey, we need to appreciate diversity, which is our differences, both on the outside of someone, but also what's on the inside, right? It's so imperative that we do this because this world needs more kindness. And it starts with us seeing ourselves as this, before anything else. I always bring this up in all my assemblies, and seeing other people this way too, that we're all miracles with the lines on our hand. We all have the letter M. I have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, and I trace one of mine again here. But that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. And to be able to see that worth and value in ourselves and then go and spread that, and see that in someone else is huge. And the students really got that. There was a lot of pin drop moments today. A lot of students come up to me in tears, even after my programs, that said something really touched their heart, or they're going through something where they're currently getting bullied, or they've had some loss in their life, and they've thought about different things of even at a young age where they're going through some type of pain. But to be able to work through that, to talk through that, to know that we have friends around us that are going to support us, through those tough times, that means everything. And that's worth gold. People that are going to always see us and show us that unconditional love, which is love without any conditions. Another big point that I tried to hammer home today is that, there's going to be times where, someone's wider than us, or skinnier, or taller, shorter, different skin color, wears glasses or doesn't, is disabled or not, and we can still show love without any conditions, right? That's still a choice that we can make, where we choose that kindness, we choose that love, and we also choose to rise above that hate, that we know that we're all born kind, right? We're all born nice. We have to learn to hate, we have to learn to be mean, but we can always unlearn that. And we can make that conscious choice and decision to know that just one act of kindness can change this world. It can uplift others around us. It can make such a huge difference, such a huge impact on people, which is why we have to be all in, for this planet, and to know that we have that power to make a lasting change in someone's life if we just keep our hearts open to that love. So through a series of heartfelt stories that I always talk about in all my different programs, and through some inspirational videos, some positive music, hand motion rap too today, that's what I really tried to reinforce. These principles of compassion, of empathy, of acceptance, of inclusion. And I'm pretty sure the students and staff really took that to heart. So thank you again for touching my heart. It's always a pleasure getting to see you all. Hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.